Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the TUSA Solla full foot fin. So this is the full foot version of the TUSA Solla, and I've used these myself. These are very lovely fins. So the first thing is that they are a dual material blade. So we've got two different materials which basically channels the water, creates more of an effective scoop. But these are they're basically great if you're traveling because they pack down really flat. They're incredibly light as well, so you don't have to worry about your baggage allowance. Let's take a closer look. So starting up at the foot pocket. So the foot pocket is made of this soft rubbery material, and this is made to be worn barefoot. If you want to wear some kind of neoprene socks or maybe lava core, just go up to like one size, and then you can wear a pair of socks. If you're on the kind of lower end of the size chart, then yeah, you can just wear socks as well to pad it out, and that will keep your feet a little bit warmer. But they are perfectly comfortable wearing them barefoot. It's nice and soft, and you've got this decent tab on the back, which really does make getting into them that much easier. You've got a big hole right sort of by your toes, and that's just so that you can get them off without that kind of suction effect holding them on. And then two chunky rails either side, and these go down fairly flat. There's an ever so slight angle to them, which just improves the angle of attack to move you through the water a bit more efficiently. But these rails are transforming that energy from your foot all the way down towards the tip of the blade, and just sort of maintaining the shape of the overall blade shape. Two different materials. So the blue in this one, for example, is the kind of rigid polymer, and then we have the black, which is still sort of soft and squidgy as the foot pocket. So during each section of the kind of kick cycle, it's changing the shape of the blades to create more of a scoop, and that just sort of channels the water down towards the tip of the blade so that it doesn't like spill over the edge. So it's improving the efficiency. Whilst we're talking about the tip of the fin, you notice it's kind of cut out a bit like a fishtail. This is called a fishtail tip. This is going to help reduce tracking. Tracking is basically when you're moving the fin through the water. Sometimes it can shake from side to side. That's just what fins naturally do. If you've got this fishtail tip, that helps reduce that, so it's more true. It's a nice straight kind of finning motion, and you're not going to get any kind of shudders. The bottom side of the fin just mirrors the top side really, and during this section of the fin kick, the sort of upwards, it's doing the opposite, so it's still creating a scoop, but in the opposite direction this time. So both sections of the fin kick are just as efficient. The underside of the foot pocket itself, you've got a little bit of grip. It's not the best to walk through when you're wearing fins, but still you're going to get a bit of grip. And you'll notice you've got two little cutouts here. So these we call vents. This is basically right in front of the foot pocket. There's quite a lot of drag effect just here on a pair of fins. So by sort of creating these cutouts, it's actually reducing that drag effect by allowing the water to go through. Again, it's reducing the effort and sort of improving the performance of the fins. So all in all, I really like them. I've used these out in the Red Sea myself, and yeah, they're very, very responsive, very intuitive. You make the slightest kind of sort of fin kick movement with your fin, and you're going in the right direction. So yeah, I can highly recommend the TUSA Solla full foot fin. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.